I saw reports of people hosting house parties, having group picnics on the beach, playing soccer, playing beer pong. Beer pong. Now, this isn't a game. People are dying. So today we are announcing even more steps the city is taking, and I'm also stressing that the time of asking nicely is coming to an end. We still want people to get outside alone or with members of their immediate household. However, even when outside, you need to stay at least 2 meters away from other people. To address the volumes we have seen over the weekend at some locations, the Park Board is prohibiting parking at our most high-traffic parks and beaches across the city. Earlier today, as you'll hear from Malcolm, they also closed all outdoor public facilities, fitness facilities, including bike parks, tennis courts, basketball courts, field sports, and more. And tomorrow, City Council will also be meeting virtually once again to pass new bylaws that authorize enforcement and penalties to anyone violating these orders. Like I said, the time for asking is over. Those found in violation of these critical orders will be subject to significant fines. And what we're ordering is necessary to protect frontline workers, essential services, and the lives of our most vulnerable neighbors. We have also been in contact with provincial emergency management and health officials about going even further and ordering a general order for non-essential workers to stay put. But we're not asking for these actions today. I am asking Council, however, to approve this power tomorrow, just in case we need to use it. Many residents have asked me why the city hasn't already moved to shut down all non-essential services and places. Now, I have been in regular contact with provincial and local health officials, and right now, they are telling me that we do not need to do this yet. But if, and only if, health officials deem it necessary, I want to be able to immediately order non-essential services shut down. Make no mistake, we will act to save lives if we need to, now and in the future. The message right now to everyone is clear. Shut down, stay put, save lives. Now, you might think you'll be fine, that getting sick would be no big deal. But as I've said many times before, there are more than 10,000 highly vulnerable neighbors who live in our city, and many, many more seniors and those with compromised immune systems that are rightfully worried right now. Reckless behavior, like playing beer pong in the middle of a pandemic, could lead to people dying. While I am extremely concerned about the health of everyone in our city, we are particularly conscious of the fact that many of our vulnerable neighbors in the downtown east side do not have the opportunity to isolate and protect themselves from this virus. So while we are stepping up our efforts to get everyone to limit their time away from home, we are calling for urgent action to protect those in and around the downtown east side. Yesterday, I announced a series of important measures the federal and provincial governments need to take right now in coordination with the City of Vancouver to keep people safe in the downtown east side. This 8-part plan includes 1. Goods delivery, 2. Access to safe supply, 3. Support for overdose prevention sites, 4. Cleaning and community hygiene, 5. Building security, 6. Protection and testing for frontline workers, 7. Increased income assistance, and 8. Housing stock and protection for renters. Vancouver is unique in all of Canada with a high-risk and high-need population. We cannot fail them. We must act now. Folks, I really don't know how else to say this. The actions we take today and over the next few days could mean the difference between life and death for many of our neighbors. When this is all over, will you be able to look at yourself in the mirror and honestly tell yourself that you did everything you could to help? Right now, for too many people, the answer is no. Yesterday, the Minister of Health, Adrian Dix, said that we need 100% compliance. Now is the time to meet this challenge together.